You see again, Dimma, and Crab, the Queen of African culture, and today I am in Ibi River, Kasan Ki. This place is known as where they sell fish, different kind of fish. Like when I step in, I saw even the type that I've not seen for my life. Like they sell different kind of fish here. They call this place Kasan Ki. So guys, follow me. Let me take you around and show you how these people get this fish and how they market it and what they are known for. So guys, follow me. Let's go. So please, can you introduce yourself to my camera?
My name is Adam Mohammed Fari. My discipline is business administration because I read business administration at the ND level and at my BSc level, business administration. What even inspired me to read this course is because of the business, and I inherited the business from my father because he is an international businessman, but locally, yeah.
So you now pick it up from him and wanted to do it in a unique way, different way. You continued from ND to your BSc, still in marketing.
Yeah.
How far have you gone with this business of a thing?
Wow. I have done a lot through the business because I built my house, and before now I still have a private car, and due to the condition, we are into a hardship, but it is not everything that we can maintain it. I can only maintain my house and my wife. I have a wife and children at home. I used to feed them through that business, but because this business means to me seriously, and I'm still going into it, and I'm still doing it, but I can continue to do it. Even if I can get an employment opportunity, I don't think that I can do away with this business.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
you don't think you can give up with the business?
Yeah.
Prepare the business with any kind of job?
Yeah. But the only thing besides we are lacking capital. That is the problem.
Okay, for the business.
It's either capital directly or government assistance. So that's it.
But the business is good.
It's good, too good in fact. It's okay.
Profiting business.
Yeah.
It's very profitable.
Very profitable, in fact. If you can maintain maintain your relationship with people, you can make it. Because a fish of 100,000, you can get a profit of either 5,000 or even more.
Depending on your business.
Depending on the quantity of your customers. So you see, you may get many customers, but the small you get from so many people, you can make it to be many.
If the demand is much.
Yeah, if the demand is much.
This one, what do they call it?
This one is the bigger of that one.
Of that small one you showed me that time.
Small one. But you can still get the one that is more bigger than this one. So
what about this one?
Which one? Okay, that one is Barigi. So this is we call it Barigi. Yeah. But it has meat in it, yes. But it is not as sweet as this one. That one is sweeter than this one, yes. But one thing with our fish here in Ibi, anywhere you go, if you can test the fish, right, you can be able to differentiate Ibi fish if you are used to it, because it's more sweeter than any other fish in Nigeria. This is how we are blessed. So many people know about it.
You don't cover your face. Well done. Me, I know they hear your language, you know they hear my way, they run. They hear. Well done, ma. Hey. Is it? You go give me fish, ba? You go give me one fish, ba? You go give me one. Hey, say I don't give you fish. Thank you, yeah. Thank you. When you talk of Ibi, Kasan Ki, the fish market, there's enough fish here. Like, I don't use my eyes, see different kind of fish. They've even given me one fish, so they've dashed me one. Omo fish dey this place, like enough fish. Come on, let's go round. Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
How you doing now?
Fine, ma.
What you fit tell us about this? What you sit down like na market una come?
Yeah, here in the market we dey sell fish. So we get river, and the river far large. So people from some villages then they carry fish come market here. Then like me, I go buy. Say if another person want buy, I go sell for her. If I sell for her, she might go sell for others who come from some village. Buy, then they go tie and go sell. Now what we they do here?
What be your name?
Khadija.
You're from where?
Ibi here.
From Ibi here. People they come from different places to come buy market.
People they come from different places. Some Jota, Benue, some then they from East myself. Then they come here. They come buy fish here.
Which people they fish the fish come sell on?
Jukun people like our fathers. So our fathers they
go the farm. How long ago you don't do this business?
I tell you, that my mother business now I inherit.
Okay, now she be the do am before. Go inherit am from her.
Nothing did now. I dey sell medicine, I dey sell fish. All na my business. You know say a woman picking, a man picking is supposed to also.
Yeah, it's very good. So you don't buy finish for today?
I don't buy finish for today. Now this one very small like this. I go and chop for us.
Oh, now you want to go chop for us with this one? Ah, wait to see. Oh, she wants to go and eat all this one herself. Only you.
I get children and I get small and younger ones. So we need to chop manager before another market will come.
How many days when I do this market?
Now only Friday.
This market is Friday.
Thursday, Friday.
No, Thursday, Friday.
But big one, the main market is Friday.
The main market is Friday.
But the Thursday on, like if them bring them from far, come. I feel come say I will buy. If I buy, then in the morning I open and sell.
Okay. That Friday be the biggest market. All this one where they load like this, now people don't buy, they go.
Buy, come they from far. If they buy, they enter motor with their fish. They might go carry and go sell. Get their own.
They call this place Kasan
Ibi.
But I hear Kasan Kifi.
Here Kasan Kifi. Na main market for fish. This.
So if you want fish now, you don't forget that anywhere. Now only here.
Now only here.
This place now only here you go get fish.
Yeah, you go get fish. But we don't know maybe say things which change. We go get better government. Then go fit do better market for us. But for now here be the main market.
Thank you very much. I like you. Thank you.
Let's go here so that you see my fish.
Okay, let's go. Hey, this one is yours.
Yeah, I bought it from this guy.
From this person here? Wow. What's the name of this very one?
This one is Taraba.
Taraba?
Yes, we call it blackfish.
Blackfish?
Yes.
Catfish. Okay, that's what they call catfish. Okay.
Yes. Okay, you call it
You came to buy too?
So you see this one?
It is very big. Ew, let me hold this well. Wow. Guys, are you seeing it? Like, it's very big. Wow. Like, how much do you sell one of these ones? Like,
we are not buying it in the single. Okay. I just bought it, the whole of this basket, yes.
The whole of it is how much?
The whole of it is from this guy that I bought. They used to bring it from the bush. I now bought it 180,000 naira.
All of them?
Yes, all of this. 180,000 because it's a supply.
Okay, you supply outside?
Yeah, I used to supply it outside. You see?
Where and where?
Now, this one is a person from Enugu.
From Enugu?
Yeah.
They come from Enugu to buy fish here?
Yes, even from Lagos.
Even from Lagos?
Yes, they used to send.
Are you serious? So this whole fish now is 100 and?
It's 180,000. This is how I bought it. But if I can package it with all expenses, it will be like 185,000. So if I'm selling, I will add like 5,000. It's okay for me.
It's okay for you?
Yes.
Wow.
Because we want people to come to us and buy it from our hands.
Okay, because of that, you don't add much profit.
Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes.
So that more people will be coming in to be buying from you people.
Yes. We have to be ethical.
What about this one?
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
This one we call it tilapia fish.
Tilapia fish.
Yes, that is karpasa. Karpasa.
Karpasa.
Yes. This is karpasa.
You came to buy it.
Yes, I came to buy. If I finish buying it, then I will sell it again.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ibi.
How long have you been doing this business?
It's 10 years now.
10 years now.
Yes.
Thank you. What be the name again?
Karpasa tilapia fish.
Like all these ones.
Yes.
Karapiasa.
Yes, that is karpasa.
The name, Papa. I greet you, sir. Well done, sir. Hey. Look to that one again. Wow. So this place is known as Kasan Ki.
Yes, let's go down.
Hey, enough fish. You're going to give me where I'm going, no? Okay, well, let me take you guys around. This is what we call kaswa.
What is roba?
It's rubber fish. Na fish I want buy.
Roba fish.
It's fish I want to buy.
Ana sa kifi a ski.
Na fish I want buy fish.
Now fish I want buy.
Ah, no the fish.
No the fish.
Yes, roba.
I know the fish.
Yes, roba.
Yes, rubber. Yes, fish.
Yes, fish. Yes, roba.
This guy is funny. Mama, good afternoon.
Very fun.
How you doing?
Thank God.
Na fish you come buy.
Now fish I come buy.
Where are you from?
From Ukari.
From there come buy fish.
Yes.
How long do they do this business?
It be 30 years now. Since I was small.
Since you were small.
True.
You started when you were small.
Since I was small. That is my business.
And you like the business, you enjoy the business.
I enjoying it.
I can't do you. I dey come. What's the name of this fish now?
No, na big size I dey buy.
Big size now you dey buy.
Yes.
You no dey buy small one.
No.
Ha, well done. No.
Well done.
This small one, wetin dey call am? This small one.
This one na Ayimbo. Ayimbo. That is the name.
Well done, ma.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Mu ne mutanen Ibi masu sai da kifi Hajiya Talle mai kaman yau sallah. Duk mai neman kifi tarwada ya zo Ibi wajen Talle da Hajiya Hassana. Wannan wunyon da dai Allah sai a muna shi lafiya a gama lafiya. Mu ne masu sai da kifi ga Hajiya Talle ga Hajiya Hassana ga mai daidai mai kaman yau sallah. Inda kuka zo lafiya Allah ya koma da ku lafiya Allah sa mu yi shi kuma a cikin sa'a.
This one is what?
This kurungu.
Kurungu?
Yes, kurungu.
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 Yes. Yes.
Okay. Why is it small like this?
They are not too matured. There are bigger ones.
Okay.
There are bigger ones. Mostly you see this one, the smallest one, and the smallest size of this one. Understand? Those people who are preparing food for their feet, this either fish or these small cow, hens, right? Chickens. They used to buy it and prepare so many things for them.
Feeding other animals.
Yes. They used to grind it, mix it with so many things which they are used to do. Even the company used to come here and buy.
And buy this very one.
Yes,
now.
this one and the other ones.
Looking at it, it's very small. I know that you cannot put this one now. Okay, so it's company that comes to buy this one.
Yes, and again, you see there are people who are less privileged. They used to buy it in small amounts and they put it inside your soup.
Okay, yes. What about this one?
Yes, this one we call it many in the soup. Many
in the soup.
That is 1,000 in the soup.
1,000 in the soup.
Amia the Hausa.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, you say Dubu Amia.
Yeah, Hausa.
It's like a fish.
Yeah, it's not a crayfish, but it's like. And the less privileged ones used to buy it, put it inside their soup also.
What do you call it again?
Dubu Amia.
Dubu Amia.
Abuja people have gone.
Abuja people?
Yes, they used to come here and buy fish.
Okay, they will use boat and cross?
Yes, they use boat and cross. Their cars, where they are packing the loads, are there. They pack it, interboat come. Then when they are done, they load their goods inside boat. Then it will cross it to them, and they will go. Yes. At times, if they will not come, They have our contact. They used to call. They ask for a supply. We then supply it to them. Yes, this is what is happening. Yeah.
If they cannot come, they will call you. You supply for them.
Yeah.
That is very big.
It's very big, in fact.
There's one fish they call that they call ake or what? That used to be round, something like that.
It's okay. Joala. Yes.
Joala.
Okay, Joala. Yes. This black fish.
That one here.
It's not here now because it's not the time.
So that one has season.
Yeah. There will be a time at least, even if you come here, the fish will be full in the market. But now, because we started to get the rainfall,
Be more fish, different type.
No, the fish will not be more like.
Now,
like.
okay, when rain starts, the fish will not be more.
Yeah. Because the rainfall, when the rain fall inside water, it used to send fish away. It is only, you say this is riverside, but that small lakes, then we are now, the catchers used to leave the riverside and go back to the lakes.
So during rainy season, the fish will not be more. It's dry season that you have more fish in the river.
This kind, after August, then when the rain begins to slow, then everything will be. Yeah, when the rains begins to fall, but fish will begin to diminish. That's it. So this is like the other side. So. Okay, now.
This person that took us round.
The price this one 250,000 and they refuse.
250,000.
250,000, but they refuse. See the owner is the one I ask. It's 300, right? They said the last price will be 300,000.
It's very big.
It's big.
This one is bushmeat.
This is bush.
Get bushmeat here.
So sign. Yes, seriously.
What's the name of that one?
Bushmeat. This is what is it? May one.
Mazoni. It's the thing that look like ram.
Antelope. Is it antelope? Antelope.
It's the one. It's the one.
You bought it or you use one
They kill him in the bush and then they have brought it here. But we dry. You are the people that dry it here, and then they are see this is the sample.
Very
This is
big.
the sample, big one. The price almost 100 and something thousand.
And you said this your fish is how much last?
The last one is 300,000. This is the last
You're
one.
the one selling it.
I'm the one selling.
How long have you been doing this business?
Eh?
How long have you been doing this business?
Inside in them born me, my father, my grandfather, myself. These are the things they are doing. Almost now I'm getting almost 45 years now. I'm telling you.
Enjoying the business.
Since.
Going to give me fish when I'm going.
No problem.
Thank you. All right. Okay, guys. So as you can see behind me, this is where they are loading the fish that are taking it to their destination. They say they come from different places to buy the fish. Some come from the south, the east, the north, from different places to buy the fish. Now the drivers are loading it to take it to their destination. When you talk of big fish market, this is really big fish market. Kasan Ki. This is where they sell different kinds of fish, and people come from different places to buy them and sell it out to different people out there. So follow me as we explore this and more. Let's go. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear.
Thank you, man.
Ademma.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Okoro.
Ahịa azụ gị n'azụ.
Anyị azụka n'azụ.
Kevin Square, you were ebe?
Abụ m onye Enugu State.
Enugu State?
Yes.
Mụ ọkwa Enugu State.
Hey, what a coincidence.
Ọkwa nwanne gị ka gị mi ya nọ. Otega ka ị bido zụọ afịa?
Otegakwa ka m bido zụọ afịa o.
Afọ ole?
Ọrụ, let me say about 15 years or more than that.
15 years?
Yeah, or more than that.
Gị na-esi Enugu abịa ebe azụ azụ?
No, ebu m ebu Benue State. Yeah, Benue State ka m bi. Na Benue ka m si abịa ego azụ ebe a. Yeah.
Only need there from Enugu in Azure, Meronya who be.
No, and I'm a way. I depend on that Benue State. Yes, and I'm a way. Yeah.
As Ibi-Dimma.
As Hana, Mamma, no Garalon. On a mamma of my cousin in Otas, Ebana, Toto, where we carry other size, somewhere like Meduguri, Yola, because those ones are come from outside. But this one is our own from this river that you're seeing here. So that is it. So this one is more sweeter, better than the other ones. Akama carry us to story, but to Akama carry. carry the other one. Yeah. Okay.
I'm better about that last week, so I'm Janaka. I signed them with Banner for
Kasan Ki. Yeah. Yes, about Kasan Ki. They can like this one, money here merekita. LTS we galon things are very costly now. Like this one before we used to buy it. Let me say something like 50,000. But what we are looking now is 130,000 and they did not sell it. Yes, this is 130,000 and they refused. But before is something of 50,000.
Before is something of 50,000.
50,000, 50. I tell you the truth. Even 45,000, like 2 years back. I got 50,000, but now 130,000 and they refuse.
And they put up
some like me, the one I bought last week, I didn't come out. I lost 20,000 on it. See to that. Because they costly. It is very, very cost. When you buy it there, when you put it, don't say because of there is no money and things are very costly now. Somebody will carry this one. That is supposed to sell it like something like 3,000 or 4,000, no 5,000 naira. Me, if you so could me somebody buy this on 5,000, I'm not going to buy you. So when you
like how much they say this
before this one is 1,500. Yes, 1,500, but this one is 5,000 naira now. So that is it. That's what we are seeing now.
Thank you very much. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you. I just found my sister here all the way from Enugu State. Here they came to buy fish. Wow, interesting. Let's go.
Keep kifi ne ni ne Aisha ta mai sai da kifi a bakin kogin Ibi. Kifi kowane kala kuna so muna da shi, akwai giwa, akwai dori na duka muna sayarwa, akwai ayu. Ga tarwada ma, ga ni ga yargo muke sai da kifi a bakin kasuwan Ibi. Yargo zo ki bayani. Mun gode Allah kara ma wannan TV ci gaba. Allah ya sa mishi albarka. Madalla mun gode. Mun gode.
What's your name?
My name is Janet Balakano. Janet Balakano.
Where are you from?
Okari.
You're from Okari, Taraba State.
Yes.
What's the name of this your fish?
Fish.
No, for your language, what's the name?
For my language, Aje.
You call it what?
Aje.
I feel touch him.
Okay, talk now.
I feel touch him.
Yes.
Hey. You said the name now, Aje. Hey. This one come be what?
A-J-A-E. Aje. A-J-E.
A-J-E. These are the sweet well.
Yes.
Like this one, and how much?
5,000.
Like this now. What of this one? This one
2,000.
What be the name of this one?
Tokwa.
Did they come out this skin? No?
Yes, now I'm the person who command this thing inside.
If you don't come out, I go spoil.
Oh, nothing.
You just want to come out?
Yes, I'm.
Where did they from? They get this fish?
Here, no?
Okay, from this river here?
Yes.
Okay. You buy from them? Hey. This one can't be waiting. This one name now waiting.
Happy.
So that is now how much as it's small?
This one 500 only.
So 500 a person don't go chop this one.
You will chop no, now your money no.
Now this children go catch again.
Yes, now here and buy it.
Almost see fish. Hey, different type.
These one are all the same.
Okay, now small one of that one.
Yes.
Okay. Even this one.
This one now the same thing.
Okay, the same thing with this one. What of this one?
This one are anga.
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 This one will be 15 naira beyond there now.
Tarwada. Outside Tarwada.
How much is this one?
This one 200.
The two of them. See the one person give me there. Person give me that one.
This one a dry one, yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
How long do they do this business?
Eh?
You don't tell where they do this business.
Yes.
Since when?
Why? And that's small. I do this thing.
Okay, when you did small, I started business.
Yes.
Well done, yeah. Well done. But one line you go teach me back.
No problem. If you come, I will teach you.
No problem. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, this is Ibi River. This is Ibi River. So I was told about this place and I was like, let me come and see it myself. They call this market Kasan Ki fish markets, where they sell different kind of fish here. They have different kind of fish. Do you know that the funny part is that this fish that these people saw here that have been gotten from this Ibi River here, or more, I saw different kind of fish that I've not seen entirely. I have not seen in my life. I saw them today. I was even giving one of the fish. I was even giving one of the fish here. So guys, according to them, they said they can supply anywhere you want, they can supply. So I'll be dropping their number there. For if you need any of the fish, you can contact them and they will supply it to you. These Ibi people, they are known as fishermen. They are known as fishermen. They depend on this fishing. They go in there to get fish and sell it out to people out there. This place is Ibi local government in Taraba state. This is where this place is. Okay guys, I see you when you get the art and craft. If you know African culture, don't forget to follow me on my social media handle, Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I love you guys. Ciao, ciao.